It is better to offer no excuse than a bad one. Liberty, when it begins to take root, is a plant of rapid growth. Perseverance and spirit have done wonders in all ages. Discipline is the soul of an army. It makes small numbers formidable. Few men have virtue to withstand the highest bidder. Labor to keep alive in your breast that little spark of celestial fire called conscience. Happiness depends more upon the internal frame of a person's own mind than on external things. Observe good faith and justice toward all nations. Associate with men of good quality if you esteem your own reputation. The harder the conflict, the greater the triumph. Real men despise battle, but will never run from it. Do not be misled by a false sense of urgency. Truth will ultimately prevail where there is pain to bring it to light. Guard against the impostures of pretended patriotism. Let your heart feel for the afflictions and distress of everyone. If freedom of speech is taken away, then dumb and silent we may be led like sheep to the slaughter. We should not look back unless it is to derive useful lessons from past errors. Every post is honorable in which a man can serve his country. To be prepared for war is one of the most effectual means of preserving peace. Worry is the interest paid by those who borrow trouble. It is far better to be alone than to be in bad company. My first wish is to see this plague of mankind, war, banished from the earth. Strive not with your superiors in argument, but always submit your judgment to others with modesty. Human happiness and moral duty are inseparably connected. Let us raise a standard to which the wise and honest can repair. Mankind, when left to themselves, are unfit for their own government. We must consult our means rather than our wishes. Arbitrary power is most easily established on the ruins of liberty abused to licentiousness. The basis of our political system is the right of the people to make and to alter their constitutions of government. There is nothing so likely to produce peace as to be well prepared to meet an enemy. Be courteous to all, but intimate with few, and let those few be well tried before you give them your confidence. A sensible woman can never be happy with a fool.